Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a topic of discussion and speculation for many years. And now, a new report from the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, suggests that AI could displace up to 40% of jobs in the future. According to the report, advanced economies are the most exposed to job displacement due to AI. This is because these economies have a higher share of jobs that are susceptible to automation. The IMF report also highlights that the impact of AI on jobs will vary across different sectors. Jobs that involve routine tasks, such as data entry or assembly line work, are more likely to be automated. On the other hand, jobs that require creativity, problem-solving, and social skills are less likely to be affected by AI. While the report acknowledges that AI can bring about productivity gains and economic growth, it also warns that the benefits may not be evenly distributed. There is a risk of increased inequality, as those who are unable to adapt to the changing job market may be left behind. So, what can be done to mitigate the potential negative effects of AI on jobs? The IMF suggests that policymakers should focus on investing in education and training programs to help workers acquire the skills needed for the jobs of the future. In conclusion, AI has the potential to significantly impact the job market, with advanced economies being the most vulnerable. However, with the right policies and investments in place, we can ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video for more updates on AI, technology, space science, and research. Remember, knowledge is power.